A lot of Indian graduates want to do an LLM abroad in the hope that they will actually land a job in that country after they finish their LLM. At the least, they want to have an international legal career. But this dream becomes unachievable because they have only 9 or 10 months in that country to do many things. They have to finish their studies and get good grades. They have to do internships during that time. They have to learn an entire legal system, about a new legal system, right, in that country, whether UK, US, Canada, any country. Not only that, they also have to pass the bar exam in that country. Now, this is a lot to do in 9 or 10 months. Now, there is an alternative to this, right? Whether you want to do your LLM abroad, physically or online, I have a proven step-by-step process how you can definitely get a job by the time you finish your LLM. Do you want to see how this is possible? I am inviting you to have a chat with one of my experts who's going to show you step by step and create a personalized plan for you about how you can definitely land a job post your LLM in the US, UK, Canada, Australia and other countries. Now, if you are interested, you just have to register, leave your correct phone number and email ID so that we can reach out to you. We are also going to share some fabulous resources with you that you can go through and educate yourself about how to do foreign LLM for the purpose of landing a job in those countries. If you are interested, register right now.